Hi, and welcome to Vlogtober day 10. I had another full day of workshops today. Today we did negotiating for success. We learned a lot, we did a lot of role playing, and overall it was just like a really good day. Now I'm headed to my grandmother's house. To grandmother's house I go. I'm walking over there and we're gonna make some pastry because I decided that I'm bringing the pies for Thanksgiving despite the fact that I've never made pies. I mean, if she's helping me with the pastry, I think that that's the worst of it, and the rest of it can't be that bad, but guess we'll find out on Sunday. Don't eat my carrot cake.
Don't eat, you've already had yours.
You're gonna eat it now, aren't you?
You should see that you could have goulash.
Oh yeah.
There's goulash. Have you eaten?
No, I haven't.
Would you want some goulash first?
I would love some goulash.
Oh, goulash. Wonderful.
Thank you. So,
What are you doing?
oh, I'm videoing. So my grandmama and I are gonna make some pie pastry. She uses tender flake lard, no butter here. She says that's better, so we're gonna give her a shot. Let's see if I know what to do. I'm gonna have to hold that.
Now what we're going to do, we're going to take this vinegar and pour it just up to the half measure.
Okay.
We're going to do this,
Okay.
and you're going to take either this spoon or this and mix it all so it forms a dough ball.
All right, finished making the pie pastry. Now Dad's gonna drop me off at home and see where we go from there. So one thing that I kind of wanted to talk about was that this week in the last 90 days challenge, we're talking about habits. And the challenge is to take one of your bad habits and turn it into a good habit. And so what I'm really gonna try to do starting tomorrow and then for the weekdays following is that I can be really good at getting up and getting out of bed, and then I can totally suck at actually doing my workout early in the morning, and a lot of times I'll just procrastinate it and like not do it at all. So I'm gonna start working on getting out of bed using the 5-second rule, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and going straight to do my workout so that I'm not wasting any time and that it's out of the way first things first. So that is, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be accountable to you, that is my goal from this point forward. We folded some laundry, or we didn't fold it, we put some laundry on the drying rack, and now we're gonna finish up the evening by watching the Leafs and Tampa Bay game. Is it Leafs and Tampa Bay, babe? Yeah, so that is it for Vlogtober day 10. Bye!